Hello, Minecraft Math Superstars, and welcome to Line Plot Graphs, 4th grade standard measurement and data number 4. So over here we have our number line. That's why it's kind of called line plot graphs, because there's a number line involved. Starting here at 0, we have 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. What happens when we hit 8/8? We hit a whole number, 1. So 1 is the same thing as 8/8. Then how many blocks is it between 1 and 2? Why, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 again. And there's 8 blocks between 2 and 3, and 8 blocks between 3 and 4. That's because 8 blocks measures a whole number at this point. So we can now take a look at our data sets behind here. Our first data set is for data set A, and you're going to use a diamond block and check this out. Check out this fraction. It's 4/8. So I'm going to put a diamond block at 4/8, label it A. Now at data set B, we have 7 solid blocks out of 8, so it's going to go on the 7th block right here. I want to label that one data set B. C, we have 2 out of 8 blocks are full. See? So we're going to put it here at 2 out of 8 and label that data set C. Okay, for D, now we're going to get into mixed numbers. There's 2 ways to look at D. One easy way to do it is just to count all the solid blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we'll go on the 11th block. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we'll name that data set D. But another way to look at this is that you see this 8 blocks, and 8 blocks equals 1, so I can call this 1 and 3/8. So 11/8 is the same thing as 1 and 3/8. See, look at this. 1, 1 and 1/8, 1 and 2/8, 1 and 3/8. So you can use either the improper fraction or the mixed number. Cool. So let's take a look at data set E. We have 4/8 again. So you're going to stick it right on top of the last one. And that was data set E. Data set F. Wow, this one's big. So we have 1 full line, 2 full lines, 3 full lines. So if we're using this as a mixed number, it's going to be 3 and 5/8 because there's 5 solid blocks in the last one. So 3 and 5/8 now. So go find the 3. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8. And that was data set F, I believe. It was. Cool. So now data set G, we have 1 full line and 3/8. So 1 and 3/8 again. So we're going to stick that one on top of our last 1 and 3/8. And this was G. For H, we have 4 out of 8 are solid. So we're going to go put this one back on, 4/8. Now I, we have right here 1 full line, so it's going to be a mixed number, 1 and 2/8. So I'm going to put 1 and go to 1 and go 1/8, 2/8. This was data set I. And last, second to last, we have data set J, which is 2 solid out of 8. So we're going to go 1/8, 2/8. So it's going to go here on top of the C, because that also was 2/8. And last, we have data set K, which has 1, 2 full lines, so 2 and 6/8. So find the 2. And go 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8. Boom. And 2 and 6/8. Now, once you put down all the correct data spot, a wall will be removed and you'll have NPCs that will ask you some questions based on your data set. If you answer them right, it's going to open a door that's going to take you to the next level. This is James signing off saying stay crafty.